This compact TP-Link TL-PA4010 Powerline Adapter uses your home electrical wiring to deliver a stable wired connection where Wi-Fi can be unreliable, which is especially helpful for streaming and gaming setups. Installation is genuinely simple because you just plug one unit into your router and another into a wall outlet near your device with no extra configuration or new cabling required. For everyday use, it offers very solid throughput for high-definition video and online games, as long as your electrical circuit is in decent shape and both adapters share the same circuit. The very small housing sits low on the wall and is less likely to block neighboring outlets compared with many bulkier Powerline units. Its automatic power-saving mode reduces energy draw when data is not actively moving, which is a nice touch if you leave the adapters plugged in all the time. The kit plays well with a wide range of other TP-Link Powerline models, making it easy to expand a wired network later without replacing your existing adapters.